Now we're out here for another ride today. We're gonna head up and across Dorian Cut again and visit a falls and maybe an old dam. I see a fox going up the hill there. Just taking a little shortcut here. We got three guys today. We got Nanabaju Mike again, and we got Mike S from Grand Marais, USA. It's going to be a little chillier today. It's cloudy this morning. It's only like about 4 Celsius right now. So we're hoping that it warms up to the 12 it's forecasted for. Well, we've reached the turnoff to going across the Monday Lake Road, and lo and behold, there's snowflakes in the air. I don't know if you can see them, but it's chilly this morning. We're going to be heading up this way, go across to 527. We're just on our way across Monday Lake Road. We're heading from Dog Lake Road to Highway 527. We're going to head up a bit. The sun really still hasn't come out. It's pretty chilly out. Hopefully it'll come out this afternoon a bit, warm things up. We just turned off Dorian Road here. We're just taking a head up, check out Wolf River Falls. Nice little falls. A hawk. Nice little trail going into it. Kind of steep at the end there. Okay, we're just at the top of the trail that goes down to the falls. That's a pretty steep trail. We got a nice little lookout over here. Looks out over the end of the river. The campsite here. It's a nice spot. This is Wolf River Falls. Woo. Getting a little wet back here. Okay, well that was a pretty wet experience. Tried to go under the falls to get some pictures and got soaking wet. Now it's cold out and I'm wet. Can't put my gloves on because my hands are cold and clammy. Lots of fun. And this is Wolf Lake. Just pull in here for a second. You can see. I think it's only a couple miles long, if that, but part of the Wolf River system. There's a little dam down at the end there that they used in the logging days too. Not the one we're going to, but That's the dam over there. If we get through here or not, we'll give it a try. Our big water crossing. Oh, I think that's about as far as I'm going. Mike fell down. This is the old Black Sturgeon Dam. Used back in the logging days. The spillway part of it. The dam part of it. See the date on it. There's Great Lakes paper, December. It's like 1959, I believe. This is the Black Sturgeon River. And this is the upper side of the dam. Back in its heyday, there used to be a logging camp right up here. Big camp. Everything's long since gone though. Just the dam is left. And even that might disappear soon.
Do you want to push? We can get on either side of you. I don't think you're going to get anything. I'm done.
Now we're just on to Coughlin Road here. Little hick road that runs back to the tracks back here. Where the old railway stop of Coughlin used to be located. Most of the, in fact almost all the buildings are gone now, but there's supposed to be one house and some vehicles left. Oh, that's a deep one. In the bush somewhere. So we're gonna have a little look, see if we can find anything. Okay, here we are trying to cross the... You didn't even step on it.
Good thing I have waterproof boots.
We lost the other Mike. He said, screw this, we're going home. Oh, that was the only part of the ditch we could find. Now we got to bushwhack in to find this abandoned house. Hey, once again we're bushwhacking, looking for something. Always seems we're bushwhacking. At least it's kind of mossy down here, as long as you don't step down into the holes.
Okay, so after bushwhacking, hiking around looking for this place, we came across the tracks onto the other side, and lo and behold, there was a little road, and we were driving down a little road and I saw a roof. So we ended up finding a house. You can check the house out on my other video. I'll put a link in the description. And now we're heading back out. We're going to see if we can find a couple of, or at least one old mine.
So we come up a little road off the highway looking for a mine, and just come off the trail a bit and found a hole filled with water here. Definitely looks like it could have been a mine. We got a big pile of tailings all the way along here. Okay, so falling in here. Let's see if we can jam this stick. It's about 8 feet long. It didn't hit anything. Definitely a shaft filled with water.
All right, I just finished finding the shaft is filled with water. Seems to be the only thing in the area of the caribou mine. I'm just heading back out. Mike on his slick tires. It is pretty muddy here. And we made it. Well, it was a good day of riding. We've done 210 kilometers so far. Still got a ways to go. Stop at Pass Lake here and then back into town. Probably going to be another 70 clicks from where I am now. By the time I get home, it's going to be close to 300 kilometer day. Not as long as Mike from Grand Marie's day. He's got 100 miles up to Thunder Bay, then 150 miles or 160 miles of this trip, then another 100 home. So he'll be tired. Turned out to be a sunny day. The sun finally came out about 2 p.m. I think. Skies are cleared up. It's warmed up enough. Probably about 11, 12 degrees, warmed up enough to make a comfortable ride. We didn't see everything we wanted to see, but everybody's tired and they want to get home, so we're going to head home. We'll leave the other ones for another day. I got lots more adventures coming up. Some ATV adventures. More KLR, maybe some overnight KLR if it warms up enough. And if you guys can think of any kind of other adventure that you'd like to see, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, comment, like the video if you want. And thanks for joining me for the ride. We'll see you in the next video.